If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Laddu. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are 1 cup of gram flour or besan, 1/3 cup of ghee, half a cup of sugar. Then take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, and we need about a teaspoon of that, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take all the ghee and keep the heat on low flame throughout the cooking. Then after that, add all the gram flour or besan. And with constant stirring, first try to break all the lumps, because when any type of flour is mixed with ghee or oil, these will make small lumps. So take your time and break all the lumps and roast this till the mixture changes color from light yellow to dark yellow and finally light brown color. And during this, you will also notice at first the mixture will be dry, but in couple of minutes or so it will be runny like a paste. So do not worry, you are doing it perfectly. So once you get the light brown color, switch off the flame and transfer this into a bowl and let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Then while it's still little warm, add all the sugar, the clove and cardamom powder and the salt and mix it up really well. And once it's well combined, take a small portion in your hand and shape it like a ball, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Laddu. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.